Welcome to Omnibasis How-to Videos. In this how-to video you will learn how to configure customer loyalty program with Omnibasis. Turn your customers into loyal followers with omniLoyalty on Omnibasis. omniLoyalty solution from Omnibasis is full-featured customer loyalty management platform. Think of it as your business operating system for customer loyalty. With a single platform, you can manage loyalty cards, award rules, rewards and badges, and loyalty transactions with no monthly fees. First, we will configure customer loyalty program. You can have one or several loyalty programs. For example, frequent purchasers or loyal customers. Loyalty cards are digital. You can always print a physical card for the customer if you wish. To edit or create a new loyalty program, navigate to omniLoyalty, Loyalty Setup, select Loyalty Programs. Select Create from Action menu at the top right corner to create a new loyalty program. If you already have a loyalty program defined, select Manage from Option menu next to manage existing program configuration. First, navigate to Configure section. You can set up various details about the loyalty program. 1. Our program status is set to active. 2. Give it a descriptive name. 3. Provide a detailed description that can be used to describe details of your loyalty program to customers. 4. If you like, you can override description with a link to an existing page in Link to Description field. 5. Select a picture, if any, that will be displayed on loyalty cards. 6. If the program has a start and an end date, enter it here. 7. Choose what currency to use with your loyalty program. If you use multiple currencies, we recommend you to set up a digital currency or separate loyalty program per currency. Learn more about currency management and digital currency with OmniLedger product from Omnibasis. 8. Specify loyalty card ID length. The minimum card number length is 5 and may contain letters and numbers. You can limit only to numbers. The maximum length is 16. 9. If you want to use only numbers for ID, select Use only numbers for loyalty programs card. 10. If you want admin to approve new loyalty cards before they become active, select Require approval of new loyalty card. 11. Use consent to configure user consent required when new card is created. Next, navigate to Pages to configure loyalty program interaction with customer. If you do not define any pages, default pages will be used. 1. Select Displayed on Page, where loyalty program information will be displayed. 2. Select Submit on Page, where new loyalty program cards will be created. Next, we will configure loyalty program permissions and security options. Navigate to Permission section and select user roles that is required to create or edit loyalty cards. For example, admin role is required to submit a new loyalty card. With password, visitors will be asked to enter this password in order to create and edit new loyalty card. With permission roles set, visitors will need to sign up or sign in to create and edit new loyalty card and be a member of the selected roles. Select the roles required with a toggle. Configure security options, which allows users to create, update, delete, or transfer loyalty cards. Otherwise, user with proper app permissions is required to manage loyalty cards. Next, navigate to Workflow section to configure what happens when new loyalty card is created by customer. 1. You can allow customer anonymously to create card. If you want customer to be able to edit and view cards later, select Use email to request and edit loyalty cards. 2. To configure email notifications on a new card submission, enter a list of emails in Notify about new data to this email. 3. To configure SMS or text notifications on a new card submission, enter a list of phone numbers in Notify phone number. 4. To display a message to customer after submission, enter messages under Display this message after submission. 5. You can redirect customer to the specific URL. Enter redirect link. 6. You redirect customer to the specific page on your site. Select page in redirect to this page after submission. 7. If you want to send customer a specific message on submission, select that message. 8. If you want to kick off a specific message campaign, select that campaign. Next, we will configure mobile wallet pass integration. Engage your customers anytime, anywhere. With Omnipass Digital Wallet solution, you can integrate your loyalty program on any mobile device and enables you to connect with your customers wherever they are. Omnipass mobile wallets offer a highly effective way for communications and create personalized marketing and loyalty experiences your customers will love. 1. Select digital pass definition you want to use for your mobile wallet. 2. Map the loyalty card fields to digital pass fields. When card is updated, for example loyalty card point balance, Omnipass will automatically update a mobile wallet and will notify your customer. Optionally, you can configure loyalty program on blockchain. Navigate to blockchain section. You can connect your loyalty program transactions to blockchain to track all rewards on blockchain. 1. Turn on Use Blockchain Network to verify and store transactions. 2. Select Blockchain Network or use default. 3. Encrypt data. Turn on to encrypt all stored data. 4. Optionally, you can require user to use paraphrase for blockchain transactions. We are done with basic loyalty program configuration. Next, we will configure loyalty program levels. You can use loyalty program levels to create opportunities for customer engagement and set up targeted discounts and rewards based on a variety of conditions. For example, the more points customers receive, the higher level they'll reach. And the higher level of loyalty, the more rewards customers will get. You can use levels to offer customer incentives, such as 1. Assign a fixed reward to the particular level. The higher level, the better reward. 2. Offer limited and time special rewards for customer assigned to particular level. Navigate to omniLoyalty. Loyalty setup. Select loyalty levels to manage loyalty program levels. Your default loyalty program will be selected for you. If you want to edit a different loyalty program level, select it from the drop-down at the top left corner. Navigate to Configure section. 1. To activate the loyalty program level, in status field select Active. 2. Select level above if you want to tier levels. For a first level, it will be empty. 3. Enter a unique level name to identify the loyalty program level. 4. Enter a brief description that explains purpose of the level for internal reference. 5. Enter link to description if you want to direct user to a specific page. 6. Choose Set as Default to designate this level as a default level for new loyalty cards. Next, we will configure loyalty level conditions. Navigate to Conditions section. Levels are used to categorize customers based on the value of their transactions, orders. The higher value/amount of transaction, the more points they will get and the higher level they'll reach. Customer is assigned to only one level at a time. Customers are placed into a levels based either on their total amount of transaction or points they have earned. If customer has spent enough money or earned enough points to move up a level, his level will automatically move up and he will be informed about it via email. The only scenario when customer can return to previous level is when order, which caused this promotion, will be returned. Customer level can be also changed to higher or lower manually by the admin user. Each level can provide fixed discounts and also have exclusive rewards that can only be claimed when a customer is on that level. 1. Depending on the configuration, set condition value as a minimum points value or minimum transaction amount in currency needed to be achieved to be assigned to this level. 2. If you set condition in currency, Specify the currency for transactions. 3. If applicable, enter min transaction amount that need to be exceeded to add points/transaction value to sum for this level. 4. You can limit to what period this level applied. After the limit expires, loyalty card will be downgraded to level below. Next, we will connect level to existing earning and redemption rule. This is optional. Navigate to Level Earning Rules section to manage. You need those rules defined ahead of time to connect them to this level. Click Add Earning Rule to add new rule or Delete button to remove existing one. Navigate to Level Redemption Rules section to manage. You need those rules defined ahead of time to connect them to this level. Click Add Redemption Rule to add new rule or Delete button to remove existing one. Next, we will configure loyalty badges. You can use loyalty program badges to reward customer engagement and achievements based on a variety of conditions. For example, when customers achieve a certain level, they earn this specific badge. Navigate to OmniLoyalty, Loyalty Setup, select Loyalty Badges to manage loyalty program badges. Your default loyalty program will be selected for you. If you want to edit a different loyalty program badge, select it from the drop-down at the top left corner. 1. Next to the badge state, select drop-down and choose Edit to edit existing badge configuration. 2. Select Create from Action menu to create a new loyalty program badge. Next, we will configure loyalty program badge. 1. Give your loyalty badge a name. 2. Provide with optional description. 3. Upload a cool image to make a visual impact with picture. Next, we will learn how to manage earning rewards rules. Use earning rewards rules to define how users earn points and currency. OmniLoyalty supports both points and currency. It is your choice how you want to reward your customers. 1. Earning rule define ways and conditions for customers to earn points or currency rewards, or both. 2. Points can be awarded for a wide range of transaction and customer activities, and the configuration can be set to control the point allotment, balance, and expiration. 3. You can add point multipliers, eligibility criteria, and even exclude certain products or customers. 4. Customers can redeem points toward rewards, based on the condition, points cost, that you establish. Navigate to OmniLoyalty, Loyalty Setup, and select Earning Rules to manage earning rules. Your default loyalty program will be selected for you. If you want to edit a different loyalty program earning rules, select it from the drop-down at the top left corner. 1. Next to the earning rule name, select drop-down and choose Edit to edit existing rule. 2. Select Create in Action menu to create a new earning rule. Navigate to Configure section. 1. Change the status of the rule in Status field. 2. Enter name of the rule that will be displayed. 3. Provide a brief description of rule that explains how to award points or currency. 4. You can override a description with a link to a page. 5. Select Require Approval if you want to approve every time this rule is applied to the loyalty card. 6. Select Hide from User if you want to hide this rule from the list the user will see under My Account, My Loyalty, Earning Rules. 7. If you want the rule to be limited in time, in start date at and end date at fields specify dates between rule will be active. Next, we will learn how to manage earning rule types and conditions. Each rule must specify its type, describing conditions for awarding points or currency. Every rule type has its own required fields, conditions, that must be filled. Once you change rule type, navigate to Conditions to fill in required values. We offer following standard types. 1. Custom event users could receive points or currency for external actions. 2. Referral referred and or referrer customer receive points or currency for his action. 3. Event users could receive points or currency for specified actions. 4. Spending user could receive points or currency for order value. 5. Multiple reward user could receive multiple points or currency for product with specified SKU. 6. Specific purchase user could receive given amount of points or currency for specified product. 7. Permission user could receive points or currency when user OmniTrust permissions are used. 8. Ledger transaction user OmniLedger account is used to earn points or currency. 9. Coupon user could receive points or currency with coupon code, just like coupons. Navigate to Conditions section to manage detailed conditions for each rule type. Depending on a rule type, you can configure different conditions. Next, we will configure earning rule rewards. User rewards sections to specify specific reward associated with the earning rule. 1. Select loyalty badge that will be awarded with this earning rule. 2. Select point amount number of points that will be added after earning rule has been applied. 3. Select currency amount that will be added after earning rule has been applied. 4. Set up % if earning rule is connected to the purchase transaction. % can be used automatically give back cash. For example, 1% cashback on all purchased. 5. Select currency required if currency amount is present. Lastly, we will configure redemption rules. Navigate to omniLoyalty /loyalty setup /redemption rules to manage redemption rules. Your default loyalty program will be selected for you. If you want to edit a different loyalty program earning rules, select it from the drop-down at the top left corner. Next to the redemption rule name, select drop-down and choose Edit to edit an existing rule. Select Create from Action menu to create a new redemption rule. Redemption rules for your loyal members. Once you set up redemption rules, match them to one or more levels. The rule without the level can be applied at any level. Users can redeem points /currency toward various rewards, based on the cost in points /currency of each that you establish during reward creation. When customer reaches the defined amount of points /currency, points /currency can be spent for a reward. During creation you can specify for each reward. 1. How many points /currency customer need to spend to get reward. 2. How many times rewards can be used by one user. 3. To which customer reward will be visible and ready to use. 4. Time boundaries when reward will be active. 5. Reward value. For example, a coupon code can be created for a specific loyalty level or for anyone who makes a purchase over a certain amount. To apply the coupon to a purchase, the user can enter the coupon code in your online store, or possibly at the cash register of your offline store. Let's manage redemption rule. First, let's configure redemption rule. Navigate to Configure section. 1. Change the status of the rule in Status field. 2. Enter name of the rule that will be displayed. 3. Choose unique code that can be used quickly redeems the reward at the checkout. 4. Provide a brief description of rule that explains how to redeem points or currency. 5. To override description, enter URL to the content page in link to description link field that explains your redemption rule. You can use OmniSite pages to provide details, explanations if needed. 6. If you want the rule to be limited in time and start date at and end date at fields, specify dates between rule will be active. 7. Select Require approval if you want to approve every time this rule is applied to the loyalty card. Navigate to Redemption Rewards section to specify specific reward associated with the redemption rule. 1. Select loyalty badge that will be awarded with this redemption rule. 2. Enter currency amount if any that will be used after redemption rule has been applied. 3. Select currency required if currency amount is present. 4. Enter point amount number of points that will be used after redemption rule has been applied. 5. Use quantity to specify a number of rewards available Leave it empty for unlimited. Next, we will configure ledger transaction, if any. You can use OmniLedger integration. Use ledger account to redeem a reward. You need to define the amount and currency that will be used to create ledger transaction increase to the account upon redemption. For a quick example, I will show you how to set up referral network. The power of every loyalty program is a network effect when your loyal customers share your brand. You can use earning rules to set up a customer reward when they refer your business. Navigate to omniLoyalty, Loyalty Setup, select Earning Rules to configure a rule. Select Create to create a new rule. Navigate to Rule Configuration. 1. Configure a rule with rule type referral. 2. Give it name and description. Next, we configure conditions. Navigate to Conditions section and configure. 1. Select event name and set to new loyalty card registration. 2. Select if you want to apply automatically. 3. Select reward type, both, which indicates who gets rewarded. Next, we configure rewards. Navigate to Rewards section. 1. Choose loyalty badge reward, if any. 2. Enter point amount received. 3. Enter currency amount yen, select currency if any. Click Save to save our work. In this tutorial you have learned to configure your loyalty program. Customer loyalty pays off, and any customer loyalty program is better than none. It keeps customers engaged with your business beyond each transaction. You learned how to manage earning rules, motivate and reward a great variety of customer actions. Reward customers for following and sharing social media content, subscribing to your blog, downloading your mobile app, etc. Now you also know how to configure rewards. Offer a number of different rewards and let your customers see their progress. The higher the level reached, the more points are earned and the better the reward choices. You can turn your loyalty program into a game. Turn your reward program into a fun game with ranking, levels and achievements. At every level reached, offer customers more and better rewards for more engagement. This concludes how to configure customer loyalty program with Omnibasis, one comprehensive loyalty management platform. Thank you for watching Omnibasis how-to videos. To keep up to date, subscribe to our channel. If you have more questions, visit help.omnibasis.com.